Alright, what's up YouTube? Go to church here, coming with opening video.
Yay!
Shut up, you crack baby. From
Yay!
Shut up! Thanks. Can't think of his name. You give cards or something. I have his name in the description. Also, DRT Demon or whatever your name is, I can't think again. I have your tray proof up. I made it, but I haven't uploaded it yet. He sent me some of his homework, I guess. What's this paper got on it? It's like homework or something? I don't know. Look at that breaking, the boy. Looks like his homework or something. No message on here. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Thanks for the I hate opening with one hand. Makes me look like a derp. So Gothams is just in that one. I was looking for another Cobra. Finally can finish my Sam deck. I got enough warriors. Enough XCs and stuff now to top it off like a boss. Let me put this down right quick. Get out there. Just got home. Fall Troll. Bogart. E-Car. I'm very pleased. Now I can finally get to work on my x-saber deck. Got all the fall trolls I need. I need another Bogart Knight. I got some Dark Souls going in the mail. And yada yada. So peace out YouTube. I can't think of the name, but I'll have it in the description.